Oppo has a firmware update, and in the update it says, well, let me just, camera improvements.
Autofocus in the wide-angle lens. Oof, now that is tons and tons. Wow, and the amount of details is just amazing. How quick it is? Quick, really quick. Main lens, also macro mode and also quick. All right, telephoto, 18x, very stable. It looks good. Also quite smooth switching lenses during the recording. Smooth.
Dedicated shutter button. Quick! It is a tremendous zoom, great autofocus, fantastic photo day and night, really good microphones. But the difference between the old firmware and the new firmware is microscopic. Only the ultra professional will know the difference, but I don't think any ultra professional will do photo with a smartphone professionally. So it's great. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.